Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about finding the less common multiple or LCM using prime factorization. I have here a word problem. Find the lowest number which is exactly divisible by 12 and 8. Now, we are going to find the less common multiple to get the required number. Let us find the LCM of 12 and 8. Let us solve the prime factors of each number. First, let us find the prime factors of 12. Think of two numbers that when we multiply, the product is 12. So we have 3 times 4. 3 is a prime number. 4 is a composite number. So we have to split it down. The factors of 4, 2 and 2. Now, less the prime factors of 12. We have 3, 2 and 2. Next, let us find the prime factors of 8. Think of the two numbers that when we multiply, the product is 8. We have 2 and 4. 2 is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. So we have to split it down. So the factors of 4, 2 and 2. Now, less the prime factors of 8. We have 2, 2 and 2. Now, write the common prime factors of 12 and 8. We have 2 and 2. Next, copy the remaining uncommon prime factors of 12 and 8. We have 3 and 2. Now, get the less common multiple of the given numbers by solving for the product of the combined factors. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 times 2 is equal to 24. So, the answer is 24. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 is equal to 24. The LCM is equal to 24. The lowest number which is exactly divisible by 12 and 8 is 24. Another example. Find the less common multiple using prime factorization. Find the LCM of 10 and 14. First, let us find the prime factors of 10. Think of two numbers that when we multiply, the product is 10. We have 2 times 5.
The numbers 2 and 5 are prime.
So, the prime factorization of 10 equals 2 and 5. Next, let us find the prime factors of 14. Think of two numbers that when we multiply, the product is 14. We have 2 and 7.
The numbers 2 and 7 are prime.
So, the prime factorization of 14, 2 and 7. Now, write the common prime factors of 10 and 14. We have 2. Now, copy the remaining uncommon prime factors of 10 and 14. We have 5 and 7. Now, get the LCM of the given numbers by solving for the product of the combined factors. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 10 times 7 is equal to 70. 2 times 5 times 7 is equal to 70. So, the LCM is 70. Another example. Find the least common multiple using prime factorization. Let us find the LCM of 18 and 27. First, let us find the prime factors of 18. Think of the two numbers that when we multiply, the product is 18. We have 2 and 9. 2 is a prime number, while 9 is a composite number. So, the factor of 9, 3. Now, list the prime factors of 18. We have 2, 3, and 3. Next, let us find the prime factors of 27. We have 3 and 9. 3 is a prime number and 9 is a composite number. So the factors of 9, 3 and 3. Now, list the prime factors of 27. We have 3, 3, and 3. Now, write the common prime factors of 18 and 27. We have 3 and 3. Then, copy the remaining uncommon prime factors of 18 and 27. We have 2 and 3. Now, get the least common multiple of the given numbers by solving for the product of the combined factors. 3 times 3 times 2 times 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. And 18 times 3 is equal to 54. 3 times 3 times 2 times 3 is equal to 54. So, the LCM is 54. Another example. Find the LCM of 16 and 20. First, let us find the prime factors of 16. Think of two numbers that when we multiply, the product is 16. We have 4 times 4. Both of our numbers is a composite. So we have to split it down. So the factors of 4. 2 times 2. Now, less the prime factors of 16. We have 2, 2, 2, and 2. Next, let us find the prime factors of 20. We have 5 times 4. 5 is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. We have to split it down. The factors of 4, 2 and 2. Now, less the prime factors of 20. We have 5, 2, and 2. Now, write the common prime factors of 16 and 20. We have 2 and 2. Then write the remaining uncommon prime factors of 16 and 20. We have 2, 5, and 2. Now, get the least common multiple of the given numbers by solving for the product of the combined factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. And 40 times 2 is equal to 80. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 2 is equal to 80. The LCM is 80. Quiz time! Let's answer this. Find the least common multiple or LCM using prime factorization. You only have 10 seconds to answer. Find the LCM of 10 and 6. Start now. Time's up. The answer is the prime factorization of 10, 2, and 5. The prime factorization of 6, 2, and 3. So the common prime factors, we have 2. The uncommon prime factors of 10 and 6, 5 and 3. Let us solve. 2 times 5 times 3 is equal to 30. So the LCM is 30. Another. Find the LCM of 8 and 14. Times up. The answer is the prime factorization of 8, 2 times 2 times 2. The prime factorization of 14, 2 times 7. The common prime factors of 8 and 14. 2. The uncommon prime factors 2, 7, and 2. Now, let us solve. 2 times 2 times 7 times 2 is equal to 56. The LCM is 56. Another. Find the LCM of 9 and 18. Times up. The answer is the prime factorization of 9 and 18. The prime factorization of 9, we have 3 and 3. And the prime factorization of 18, we have 3, 3 and 2. Now, the common prime factors of 9 and 18, we have 3, 3, and the uncommon prime factors, we have 2. So, 3 times 3 times 2 is equal to 18. So, the LCM is 18. Another example. Let us find the LCM of 10 and 20. Times up. The answer is, so the prime factorization of 10, 2 and 5, and the prime factorization of 20, we have 2, 2 and 5. We have 2 times 2 times 5. Now, the common prime factors of 10 and 20, we have 2 and 5. The uncommon prime factors, we have 2. Now, let us solve. 2 times 5 times 2 is equal to 20. So, the LCM is 20. Another. Find the LCM using prime factorization. we have 30 and 9. Times up. The answer is the prime factorization of 30. We have 5, 2, and 3. The prime factorization of 9, we have 3 and 3. Now, the common prime factors of 30 and 9, we have 3. The uncommon prime factors, we have 5, 3, and 2. Now, let us solve. 3 times 5 times 3 times 2 is equal to 90. So, the least common multiple is 90. Another example. 15 and 12. Times up. The answer is the prime factorization of 15. We have 5 and 3. And the prime factorization of 12, we have 2, 2, and 3. Now, the common prime factors of 15 and 12, we have 3. And the uncommon prime factors, we have 5, 2, and 2. Now, let us solve. 3 times 5 times 2 times 2 is equal to 60. The LCM is 60. Another 21 and 28. Times up. The answer is, so the prime factorization of 21, we have 3 and 7. And the prime factorization of 28, we have 2, 2, and 7. So the common prime factors of 21 and 28, we have 7. And the uncommon prime factors, we have 3, 2, and 2. So, 7 times 3 times 2 times 2 is equal to 84. So, the LCM is 84. Another 42 and 14. Times up. The answer is, so the prime factorization of 42, we have 7, 2, and 3. The prime factorization of 14, we have 7 and 2. Now, the common prime factors of 42 and 14, we have 7 and 2. The uncommon prime factor, we have 3. So, 7 times 2 times 3 is equal to 42. So, the LCM is 42. Another 8 and 9. Times up. The answer is, so the prime factorization of 8, we have 2, 2, and 2. And the prime factorization of 9, we have 3 and 3. So we have no common prime factors of 8 and 9. So the uncommon prime factors, we have 2, 3, 2, 3, and 2. So 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 is equal to 72. So the LCM is 72. Another 12 and 24. Times up. The answer is, so the prime factorization of 12, we have 3, 2, and 2. The prime factorization of 24, we have 3, 2, 2, and 2. Now, the common prime factors of 12 and 22, we have 3, 2, and 2. And the uncommon prime factors, we have 2. So 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 24. The LCM is 24. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about finding the least common multiple, or LCM, using prime factorization. Thanks for watching.